Okay, guys. Hey,
We're here.
We made it. We are here at the Contemporary Resort. We are in a standard room lake tower.
Yes.
I'm sorry, not lake tower. We are in the main building, but we are. And you can see here, we're on the 8th floor. If you look down, there's the lobby. And there's the monorail going through, and actually one just left. We just missed it. So we're ready to enter. Oh, you left the door open.
The door open.
Yeah. Anyway, so here we are. Let's see. So we'll start in the restroom bathroom area. So 2 sinks, double vanity, mirror, nice large shower. Has the double shower head. Toilet room. Storage.
I like the closet.
Closet with
like
the little
Incredibles costumes.
Incredibles costumes. Extra pillow
The
blankets.
mask are up there too.
Extra mask.
No, the mask for the
Oh, yes. And a steamer? That's interesting.
Yes.
Oh, because they don't have irons or ironing boards. They provide a steamer. Nice. Drawer space. Luggage rack. Okay. Another storage area with a safe. And then you have the Keurig with some more Incredibles touches behind it.
Bugs.
Edna mode. Coffee and some creamers.
An anniversary blend.
Yeah, that's fun. Okay. And then a beverage cooler. And then looking around, this is the room. So it does have double queen. I'm very excited to see that the pillows are here. I know that a lot of the resorts had removed the pillows with the COVID protocols. And almost didn't even notice the TV being there, right? There's the TV. We do have the USB outlets here. And as Brandon just demonstrated, this folds down to the 5th sleeper. And then, like I said, we are lakeside. So if you come out here, oh, look at the Mickey. There's a Mickey down there. But if you look, this is our view. So is that Tower Terror right there?
No, that's a hotel.
That's a hotel. Okay. Well, there's Epcot in the distance.
If it is Tower of Terror, I can't tell right now because it is dark. I think it's actually right there. Maybe. I could be wrong.
Okay.
Could be wrong still.
Okay. So we're here at Contempo Cafe, and we were going to get breakfast, but then we decided that because we're going to be here only just a day, that we wanted to get some of the holiday treats instead.
The sweets looked better.
Yeah. So anyway, so this is what we ended up getting. We got a Yule log and a cookies and cream.
The monorail cupcake.
Yes. So we'll see that right. So there's the Yule log. It is
Chocolate chiffon with peppermint mousse and chocolate ganache.
yes. Isn't that so cute? Look at the little mushroom and the gingerbread man. Like, he's super adorable. Okay. And then here, it's not actually listed on there. This is the cookies and cream cupcake.
It's looks like just a regular cupcake with cookies and cream icing, with chocolate frosting,
Ganache.
an Oreo, a
Chocolate curl.
and a piece of white chocolate maybe look like the monorail. You can
I was not really sure what that was at first, but it is a monorail.
On the side, so
okay.
It looks really good too.
Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, and so there's some chocolate cream inside. All right. And then for mine's a little easier, I think, to get to. So I'm gonna kind of deconstruct him a little bit. Oh, that's frosting. That's not solid. We had one of those last night on the Bouche de Noël, but it was a solid, like, piece of sugar. And there's the inside. Let's try that out. It's super pepperminty and super chocolatey. Definitely probably not a breakfast food, but it's going to work for today.
Mine's really good. I don't think it's very rich either.
Yeah.
I think the plain cupcake with the toppings make it taste not as rich. It's really good.
Mine is not as sweet as I would thought it to be, so that's a good thing, especially at like 8:30 in the morning. So.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. All right. Okay, so behind us is Chef Mickey's, and so like Mickey was just standing behind us.
No, it was Pluto.
Oh, it was Pluto. It was Pluto.
Yeah.
We tried to get a picture, but
He ran away.
he ran away.
I think he saw a squirrel.
So this is pretty cool. They have some big yard style games here. Big old chess sets. Yeah, like Brayden said, we don't know how to play chess, but
That was our goal last year, and we never got to
we
it.
didn't do it. We didn't do it.
Maybe we'll make it our goal this year.
And then here's the pool over at Bay Lake. And then from level 4, there's an escalator to take you to the monorail station. So that pedway connects Bay Lake Tower to the main tower, and it connects it on the atrium level, which is level 4.
But it's funny though, is you're on level 4 in Contemporary, but level 5 in Bay Lake.
Yeah. We played checkers for a little bit. I got a king. Brayden said he's done. That's a sore loser. Little splash pad here. Looks like a lot of fun. And then there's a look at the pool. And there's a slide up here. So if you're over here by the pool, there is a sandbar for some refreshments. Looks like they have, let's see, a cheeseburger, hot dog, salad, nachos, fruit cup, french fries, pretzels, turkey sandwich, hamburger, and hot dog.
Walk over there.
It's okay. Then come through here. Okay, so we're going into the lobby from the pool area. There's Steakhouse 71. They do serve breakfast, and they do have breakfast to go. And so this is BVG, which is like the gift shop here. So we went into the BVG place. Really, the only thing that we found was some coffee, but it is the 50th Joffrey's, and it's in K-cups. So I think that's gonna be really nice, like at work, to be able to have some Disney coffee at work.
And since our daughter's not here, we got her a little thing too.
Yeah, that's really cute. And we went into Fantasia, and that's actually where we found the dog collar. We're gonna head over to Fantasia Market to check it out. Overall, I definitely like the shopping here better than Grand Floridian.
Yeah, Grand Floridian didn't have a whole lot. They had that one expensive store. What was it called?
In Mercantile.
Yeah.
Which is nice. I mean, you know, it had like Lily Pulitzer and such in it, but I didn't feel like it was very Disney-esque. So
these ones have been very Disney-esque.
These are obviously Disney. This is like a Disney store has exploded in your hotel. So
yes.
This is great. Okay, we'll check back in with you in a little bit.
Cool.
So this is where, if you are DVC and you have like a kitchenette, you can come in here and get some actual like frozen foods to fix in your room. And it's just like a little mini convenience store in here.